Now, this is one of the important tasks in your PTE listening, and you have between 2 or 3 on exam day. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Juliet. I'm a Pearson Test of English tutor. In today's video, we'll be looking at PTE listening, highlight incorrect words. Now, this is one of the important tasks in your PTE listening, and you have between 2 or 3 on exam day. Now, what happens here is that you will hear an audio play, and then there will be a transcript before you. That transcript is just like a transcription of what the audio will play or what the recording will play. So you're supposed to identify errors on the transcript while the audio plays. So the transcript that will be displayed on the screen of your computer contains some errors. So while the recording is playing, your responsibility is to identify those errors on the transcript and highlight them. Hence the name of the task, highlight incorrect words. Now, while the recording is playing, all you need to do is read with it or read along with the recording. So you'll be able to identify those incorrect words or errors on the transcript. Scoring, how are you scored for this task? You will get a point for every incorrect word you identify on the transcript. But if you underline a word that was not mistakenly said in the recording, you lose a point. And not just losing a point, you also lose the point for the right answer you have gotten before. So you have to be careful not to highlight a word that wasn't wrongly said from the transcripts. Now, here are some things you need to know while you do this task. The first is, once the recording begins, begin to read with the recording. Don't say, oh no, you're busy doing another thing or you get distracted. So you have to follow the recording, which is the first thing to do. Then the second thing to do is follow your cursor and follow along with the recording. This means if the recording begins to say things like Annie lives in South Australia, which is not too far from Melbourne, you have to just follow through with your cursor so that you don't lose attention for you to identify the incorrect word that you need to highlight. One thing I've identified over the course of the years doing this particular task is most times prepositions are not the incorrect words to be highlighted, but other parts of speech like noun, adverbs, like adjectives and verbs are mostly the kind of words that you need to highlight. So do not stress yourself trying to look out for are, was, is, and all those other things that are not really important in that task. Then another thing you need to know is, please do not panic even if you think you have missed out on 1 or 2 incorrect words. Just go on and continue while the audio reads. Okay, another thing that you need to do for this task is never highlight random words. That is because you thought maybe you've made a mistake, you didn't hear all the other incorrect words rightly, you just start picking up words from the transcript. No, you'll be losing scores if you do that. And another thing too you need to know is, once the audio finishes, please just click on the next button. Why? This is because the audio will not play again and you might not even remember what was played in the audio. So there's no need crying over spilled milk. Just click on the next button so the next task will play. Then another thing we need to know for this task is practice several of them before exam day. Because if you practice them, you will know how it works. You will know how to read along with your cursor. You will know how to highlight the incorrect words that are not important or the ones that are the answers on the day of exam. So these are the things that you should know for this task. This brings me to the end of this video. I hope you're able to get 1 or 2 things that you need to know to help you pass this particular task. Have you followed me yet on Instagram? I'm on Instagram at english_prep-class and I'm on Facebook at englishprep-class. Remember to hit the subscribe button, share my videos, recommend the videos to other people that might need to write the PTE. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.